through the Grudziądz city because the highway is under the something happened on the highway and the map showed me I will stuck in the traffic for half hour, and we don't want to stuck in the traffic, so we are going through the city on the country roads, kind of country roads, like a smaller roads. Now look at this bridge, isn't it?
Wow.
It's the old bridge, and summer soon will be Wisła River. This bridge is actually pretty long,
Rozumiem.
but it's interesting when you pass it. Oh, here we go. That's gonna be a panorama of Grudziądz city and the Wisła River. Actually, the level of the Wisła River is low. I thought it will be that, but oh, it's big. You can see. And the nice panorama of Grudziądz city. Actually, we never go to Grudziądz, but maybe one day we can come and make a video there. Nice, isn't it?
Tak.
We never passed this road before, isn't it?
Nie.
Yeah, but we have opportunity today to see something different.
Wisła River is so huge river.
Yeah, it is the biggest river in Poland.
So long bridge.
Grudziądz, that's the name of the city. Like this.
Kochani, there are so many lush green here, tak?
Tak.
Look, so many green things.
Nice, isn't it?
Tak. It's just simply enjoyable countryside driving. Look, so many green things.
No.
Oh,
Oh, there's 17 degree today.
17 degree tak. You see that it's cold already.
But the asphalt is warm.
Rozumiem. I really enjoy driving home to see Mama. Damian's home. My Mama home.
Oh.
Oh, that's the farmer, tak, kochani?
Tak, the farm.
Oh, nice.
We call it rolnik in Poland.
Rolling.
Or gospodarstwo rolne.
Ah, look at this one.
Tak.
Countryside.
Tak.
Ah, look at that. The sapi, baby.
Krowa.
Krowa, tak?
Tak, sapi.
So, this is a country road. On the left. Oh, they plant cabbage, tak?
Cabbage. Kapusta.
Kapusta?
Tak.
Ah. Look at this.
Kapusta for gołąbki.
Gołąbki.
Oh, look at sapi.
Oh.
Krowy.
Nice.
Steaks. Simple village life. Huh?
Tak. Look at this church. Really simple village life. Kochani,
Tak.
we already arrived in
Susz.
Sush.
Susz.
Your hometown?
Susz. My hometown.
Mhm.
My small little hometown.
Tak. Oh. Papa going here. So
That's
every
the
day.
post office, and next to post office is bakery.
Too?
Tak.
Oh, Papa favorite one?
Yeah, but everything is closed already because it's Saturday.
Ah. Shoes. You see?
Small little town.
Tak.
Susz and Iława, that's my hometowns, I could say both.
Tak.
Nice weather today though.
So we are already home. Hungry. I cannot wait. We cannot wait already. Co to jest?
Zupa pomidorowa z kluskami lanymi.
Dobra.
I don't know how to...
Tu do kotlets.
Schabowy.
Tu
Gołąbki.
Gołąbki.
Ziemniaki.
Ooh. Smacznego.
Smacznego, kochani.
Oh, no. Beautiful. Now we are going on a family trip somewhere.
So we need go with mom a different way. I'm going from this small path, like this one through the lake here. Only locals know where to go here. But well, I'm technically local here. I was like a small little Damush kid was driving here with bicycle from my home about 20-30 kilometers, and we were like going for fishing here and everything. It was nice time. All right, where is it? Lake is over there. Oh, and my papa there. Actually, next to the lake, here we go. That's the lake. I forgot to show you. Little this one, boats. Here we go. I wanna show you. Can you see this one? That's the grzyb. Prawdziwek. Ooh, nice. Generally speaking, this is nice lake. Actually, very peaceful, quiet. Nobody's there. Gold Polish fall actually age is starting slowly, but still is pretty green actually for end of September, I could say. Okay, I don't know where is my mom and Winnie go actually. Somewhere there. By the way, in this lake, the water is one of the cleanest here in Poland. It's actually very clean water, very natural. Nothing is actually here, just pure natural. Looking for mushrooms, by the way, and some. We found only 2. Usually they like to be like in the nearby the water, though. Yeah.
So they cut down the trees for the winter. The smell of the smell of the pine trees. So nice. Okay, so now we are going to the lake, and then we will walk there and go down. Moya mama shy in the camera. Okay, so now we are actually going to the down there, and Damian there with Papa, so I'll show you around. Enjoy the peaceful of the lake, the nature. It's nice, very nice. So after we had a family lunch, we decided to walk in the woods like this and going to the lake. And the thing is that here in Iwawa, especially in Damian's hometown, there are so many green things. There are so many lakes. That's why it's called Iwawa, the town, the lake town basically. So just like this lake, it's simply like nobody's here, only us, just to enjoy the beauty of the nature. It's nice.
And what you got?
We were walking by the lake and find out the mushroom. So later we're gonna cook the mushroom, become a soup.
Nice. You happy? Okay, let's go. When you see this road, is brick road like in Poznań.
Tak.
Tu mieszka. Ale ciekawe, że światło ma dobre.
Oh, look at this. People are sailing on the boat. It's called Skarpa. Oh, there's a bar and restaurant, kochanie.
It's closed now. Is the beach there, and then they going with the boat still, even it's cold. You see how nice and peaceful.
And look at the color of the sky. Sunset time already. It's nice. Even it's cold, it's just enjoyable, tak? Going on the boat.
Tak,
Nice.
very enjoyable. See, they go somewhere. Maybe they go to Iwawa, or maybe they were from Iwawa, or maybe they will sleep on the boat.
Kochanie, it's freezing cold for me.
13 degrees. But it's nice.
It's nice weather. sunny.
Beautiful, crispy, fresh.
Tak. And we
Actually, a little bit cold. But look. I just still wear the short pants. No problem.
are Poles versus Indonesian
You have
Asian.
already jacket,
Jacket.
shawl, everything, long pants. Totally different, huh?
Kochani, chodź. It's windy, crisp air.
It's actually pretty chilly, I would say.
Actually, and look at you. Oh my goodness. Okay,
What?
Jimmy. Let's have something hot cappuccino here. Kochani, na zdrowie. It is very cold outside, so we just decided to have a hot coffee with the view of the lake.
Yang, how do you feel? It's 16 degree, no, 13 degree only. But you will be okay. First season you will just survive. Later you will know how to dress and everything. You will be fine, right?
Environment, fresh air and everything it's nice. Basically, it's just like this is my first time here with the 13 degree. I think that when I came already 10 degree or something.
It was like
eh?
that, but
Yes,
it's gonna
yes,
be
yes,
maybe
yes, yes.
minus later.
So what I can say that it's nice to feel and experience different things, right? Especially when you are originally from tropical countries where summer every day. I remember that my students asking me in the class, how does it look like living in tropical country? And I said, oh, it's lato chogene. Every day is lato. Oh, I feel like I want to live there. But I said, living in a 4 different season, it must be interesting. You know, you have many different things you to experience rather than lato every day. It's nice, but you know, you should experience.
And some people see you for the very first time wearing the outfit like this, Shola. Oh, that's cool. But you will be fine. After first year, you will be hard, but later we will enjoy it. You know how to dress it and everything. You know, you will be fine. Don't worry, sayang. Anyways, this is the middle of the Polish gold atrium. Yeah, Polska złota jesień, sayang. Tak.
So we keep walking and walking. Oh, look at the small boat. Kochanie.
Tak.
Let's keep walking. It's Sunday and look at this city. Look at how clean is Iwawa. You know.
Correct.
Nice. It's just like a tourist. This one is tourist city in Poland, not
Yeah, but
Poland,
only
right?
busy during the summer, you know.
I know, but look how clean it is. You know. It's beautiful and look at the lake. I can see that there is not even a single plastic rubbish on it.
Tak, very nice, isn't it? Very enjoyable little town.
Tak. Nice. It is windy, chilly, and the leaves of the trees changing the color. Oh, nice. This is the only one shop open. Look, Zapiekanka Anaconda, 90 centimeters. And here is the price. Oh. Okay, so I'll take you to stroll around in Iwawa area. This area is like a holiday city in Poland that is next to the lake, right, Kochanie?
Yeah, but this is more into residential area. Little bit because we are going to the parking next to the lake, behind the hotel TV.
And again, it's just like, you know, Sunday drive.
Oh,
There's Intermarché Iwawa,
Intermarché.
apartment,
Oh,
shop.
they put Iwawa on it.
Tak.
Nice.
And here we go.
We are going to the beach.
The beach.
The beach.
And you see green everywhere.
So we have a nice house.
Tak. simply said that how clean it is. That's it. Right? It's enjoyable walking, driving here.
And the lake is on the front already.
Right. Here we go.
Then the big park here.
Oh, nice. Stop here. I believe 100% during summer must be busy here, right, Kanye? Look at this.
Definitely.
What's there in the front? Like catamaran or boat? Let's go there and see.
This is the island on the top.
That's island. On the top is the children playground, and here is the beach, the lake beach. And here, I think like the place where you can jump and swim. And look at the boat over there. Oh wow. Oh, I think that there are so many kind of the sailboat over there, Kanye.
I think it's the closing of the season today. Because it's the last week of September. So usually it's this closing season. Last weekend of September usually is the closing season for the sailors and also for the motorbikes.
Look, there also sail.
But it's beautiful weather today actually, so it fits. Suits. Zion?
I don't know. I spend most of my life is actually living close by the water. Now coming again to Damian's hometown and see like this, the boat, the ship, the sailboat is just like the water city. It's just nice.
Nice, isn't it?
So we keep walking and walking. And I think that really during summertime it must be busy here. People kayaking. And look at this boat. Can go there. Oh, can we go there? Okay. Oh. So many nice boats. I think there in the middle there are sailboat competition. Actually, it's like a Viking, tak kayaknya? Yes. Yeah, I show you. Actually, it's nice marina. So many nice spots. Kohanye, what are you doing?
This is the hydrant, like from the France I can see. I don't know why they bring it from France. Let's see if the water is going. It's going.
Oh, Kohanye.
Cool, huh?
Nice. Oh, look at in this view. Nice places actually to walk, right? Nice. So I think that's all our video today, guys, from Ivava.
Tak.
Nice weather and windy, chill, and enjoyable actually to walk. It's not that too humid, and it's my, I think, first time autumn here.
Autumn first time.
And what do you think, Kohanye?
Full winter season is on the front of you, Saya. But it's gonna be an interesting experience, and I believe you will be fine. By the way, if you don't know, Joava is my hometown together with Sush, and it's always nice to be here. Once in the month or once every 6 weeks we are here visiting my parents. So next time will be even more cooler when we came here. Maybe it will be snowing at the beginning of November. No, I don't think so. My papa said there will be not much snow this year, unfortunately, you know. But anyways, one day we're gonna be here probably before Christmas. Maybe then will be the snow. Actually, the snow here is very nice. You can watch my previous video last year when I was here in the 31st beginning of December. Actually, I come back to Poland after 15 years of living here. So yeah, that's it. Actually, there's really nice competition over there, but they are on the middle of the lake. Well, thanks so much for watching. Yes, And we'll see you tomorrow on next one. As always, see ya. Take care.
So many nice apartment building, tak? Oh,
Yeah.
nice also for cycling.
This is the corner. Maybe we can see from the road this sailors little bit.
Dobra.
Let's see, yeah? This hotel also here.
Yeah. Hotel, 3-star hotel. See people walking, riding a bikes. We were there before, tak?
Oh. Very cozy.
Sunday driving.
Nice and enjoyable. I used to pass this road for million of times.
Yeah. Because you are grow up here, kochani. You also can do a camping here.
Nice, isn't it? And also has the interesting fact this is the cheapest petrol in Poland. 5.54 for the petrol today, while in Poznań was 6.06. Unbelievable.
Oh, nice. Look how clean it is. Green. Ibawa. 700 miasta?
Yeah.
700 years city.
Over 700.
Over.
719 exactly.
Old city but well maintained.
Now we're going to the
It's autumn.
nice road, isn't it? Enjoyable country road with the big trees.
Very nice road.
The fields already on spring season. Sorry, autumn season. Dobre.
Ooh, what's the rolling things here?
Yeah, that's the grass for the cows for the winter. Yes. Now we are entering the forest and the leaves changing color already.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Isn't it?
Right.
We entering to the woods. Nice, isn't it?
Right. Lush green.
Yeah. The fall season. The later will be even better when it's white everything because of the snow, you know, and the frost. That's gonna be nice.
Slow down. Everywhere you see is the lake.
Yeah, Warmińsko Mazurski State.
It's famous with the green lakes.
Kraina jezior.
Kraina Jezior.
Tak.
It means city. Oh, if you can catch that, that's the sapi behind.
Really?
I stuck. I catch it.